Hello friends, welcome to your 5-day Mohawk Valley forecast. Yours truly, Jeff Matthews, trying to bring you accurate, educational, fun weather, live streaming on Facebook on the Weathertainment fan page. Trivia teaser for you to think about. Which of these jet streams affect the United States? The polar jet, the subtropical jet, the low-level jet, or all of them? Incredibly warm weather through Saturday. Heavy rain is coming Saturday, and that is the dividing line where the thermal cliff occurs Saturday night and a reality check arrives Sunday. That winter is nowhere near over just yet. But meanwhile, near record highs on Friday and Saturday with a little spotty light rain now and again on Friday, but it's Saturday, late morning and afternoon when it pours. The heavens open and it pours. A lot of rain is coming. Sunday, okay, but much colder. A light mix on Monday and a little rain on Wednesday. Short story, we've got a couple of systems and weather fronts that are pushing through, but the most significant thing is really to our west. So we have a dry line coming through with an old storm over the northeastern part of Canada that's dragging this dry line more than a cold front through. And that means dry weather for Thursday night and for Friday early morning. But there's more to that story because it kind of links up with another storm that is now gathering steam across Nebraska and Iowa, moving into Wisconsin. Now that storm is going to rotate and move through to our north and west, which puts us on the warm side. However, there's more to the story. It's intensifying rapidly. It will bring with it a strong, steady southerly wind Friday night and Saturday, and also it is going to bring us some heavy rain, and then on the other side of that cold front, it's going to dump a load of cold air on us for Sunday, which will gradually modify Monday into Tuesday. You can see how it's bringing a radical change to where parts of the Dakotas and Nebraska were in the 70s this week. Well, they are seeing snow half a foot to as much as double digits Thursday night into Friday morning. We're not worried about snow here because of the storm track well to our west. But it will be intense and will bring us wind and heavy rain Saturday, so that part of my forecast has not changed. And then the cold front will dump the temperatures some 35 or 40 degrees from Saturday afternoon to Sunday morning, and they will not recover. Now, at this time of the year, it's hard for the cold air to stay entrenched for lengthy periods of time, and it modifies faster because of the longer daylight hours. But still, it's coming our way. But Friday and Saturday, enjoy the warmer temperatures, even as the sun goes away, because we're not going to see much, if any, on Friday, and we won't see any on Saturday. Saturday, we're going to get dump trucked with heavy rain for a good 6 to 10 hours, and that could create some minor flooding problems because it's going to create more snowmelt, too. So you got to accommodate for that moisture on the ground. And then much colder temperatures for Sunday. Now, speaking of temperatures, the high on Thursday was 65. We busted it. 63 set in 1984, so that's a 33-year-old record. We broke it by 2 degrees. The low was 41. I said it would be about 44. Dry day on Thursday, just about 11 hours of daylight. When you're on CLYweathertainment.com, check out the astronomy page, the local weather tabs, and the partner page where you can support Weathertainment by making purchases through the website. Which of these jet streams affect the United States? The polar jet, the subtropical jet, the low-level jet, or all of them? The answer is all of them. You're familiar with the polar jet that meanders north and south of the U.S.-Canadian border and brings us polar vortexes. The subtropical jet occasionally gets involved, and especially when El Nino is going on. And the low-level jet is really just kind of a play on words because it's the lowest layer of air where warmth comes up from the south behind a warm front. But it's a legitimate jet stream. It's just that it's very temporal. It only affects us when a storm system is passing through to our west. But they're all legitimate jet streams, and they all affect the United States. So, as we go from Thursday night, where there's going to be a mostly cloudy sky and temperatures in the mid-40s, on Friday, expect a shower now and then. It's going to be light, it's going to be off and on, and it's going to be a mainly cloudy day, but very mild, high in the upper 50s. Friday night, as opposed to Thursday night, it'll be breezier, 10 to 15. That'll hold the temperatures from getting anywhere down into the 40s. I'm expecting a low only about 53, 4, or 5. Saturday, it rains. It pours. Serious puddle makers. South wind, 15 to 20, so it's going to be breezy. It'll be mild. There will likely be some minor flooding, and you got to watch those streams and creeks in your backyard, as well as what's going on in your basement. Just saying, it's possible. You could see some significant flooding from Saturday's heavy rainmaker. Sunday, okay, but much colder. Monday, a light mix, mostly rain though, and then quiet, mostly cloudy for Tuesday. That is your 5-day Mohawk Valley forecast. Enjoy the warm weather, but get ready for the dump truck on Sunday with colder temperatures, and make it a great Friday.